Hi everyone, my name is Dhruba Joshi and I have been working as a senior SAS developer position for a couple of years. In my time, I have collected a few interview questions and I would like to share them with you. If you have questions of your own, please email me. Thank you.
SAS interview question and answer. Question number 14. What are the commonly used character function in SAS? Question is asking about what are the name of character functions which are used in SAS. Commonly used character function in SAS are as follow, which are classified into 10 classes. Number 1. To get the length of character value, we use length, length n, length c. Number 2. To change the case, we use uppercase, lowercase, and propcase. Number 3. Removing blank and characters, we use compel and compress. Number 4. Searching character and word. To search character, we use find. To search word, we use find w. Number 5. Extracting part of a string and word. To extract word, we use scan. For the part of the string, we use substr left of and substr right of. Number 6. Removing leading and trailing blanks. To remove trailing blanks, we use trim. To remove leading blanks, we use left. To use both leading and trailing blanks, we use strip. Number 7. Changing variable type. Numeric to character, we use put. Character to numeric, we use input. Number 8. Counting letter and words. To count the letter, we use count. To count the word, we use count W. Number 9. Joining two or more strings. We use cat, cat X, and cat S. Number 10. Searching for character classes. We use any alpha, any digit, any punctuation, any space. These are the commonly used character function in SAS. That's all about question number 14. Thank you. SAS interview question and answer. Question number 15. Accidentally unwanted special characters were attached to customer name. How do you remove those unwanted special characters? This question is asking about how to remove unwanted special characters from a variable. Unwanted special characters can be removed using SAS character function. The function name is compress with modifier. Syntax is given here. Var name variable name equals to compress var name variable name with modifier. In this case, in case of modifier, we have to include possible special characters. A sample data set is given. Dataset name, junk data, input ID, name and salary. It has 3 variables and 4 rows. When we run first set of the code, then result is obtained exactly same as shown on the right side of the window. This first table represents the result, which has 3 variables and 4 rows. In case of the name field, some special characters are attached with name. That's why this data set is not clean. We have second set of the code, which is used to clean the data. Dataset name, clean data, set, junk data, that means we use previously created data, and name field equals to compress name, modifier, which has included special characters, and run. When we run this second set of the code, result is obtained exactly same as the second table, where it has 3 variables and 4 rows. And now name field is clean. That means those unwanted special characters were removed from name. It is completely clean data. When we run same code with SAS window, let me run first set of the code. then result is obtained exactly same as the previously explained. That means that this result it has 3 variable and 4 rows, and name field is not clean. Some characters are attached with name. That's why it is not clean data. Let me run second set of the code. When I run second set of the code, then result is obtained here, where it has 3 variable and 4 rows, and name is completely clean. That means we have cleaned special character from name. That means by using compress function with modifier, we can clean up unwanted special characters attached with a variable. That's all about question number 15. Thank you. SAS interview question and answer. Question number 16. How to convert character variable to numeric variable in SAS? This question is asking about how do you convert character to numeric variable in SAS dataset. In case of SAS data step, input function is used to change character to numeric variable with different name. A syntax is given here. Numbar numeric variable equals to input char var character variable with informat. A sample set data set. Data set name is char input x, which has 3 rows and 1 variable x. When we run first set of the code, it generates the data set, which has 1 variable and 3 rows. Now we have second set of the code that converts character variable to numeric variable. Data set name num set char, that means we have used previously created data. New bar equals to input x 10 dot, which is informat, and run. When we run second set of the code, it will generate the result as shown on the right side of the window from second table, which has two variable x and new var, where new var is newly generated variable. Here variable type character has changed to numeric. Now we are going to check whether it has changed character to numeric or not. To check the variable type, we use proc contain data equals to num and run. When we run third set of the code, result is obtained from this third table. That means it has 2 variables. One is x, another one is new var. New var is newly created variable, but its type is numeric. From here, it is clear that SAS dataset having variable name x has changed to new variable name new var with variable type numeric. When we run the same code with the SAS window, let's run the first set of the code, which generates the data set. This is the output, which has 1 variable and 3 rows. Let me run second set of the code that converts the character variable to numeric variable. Now it has 2 variables. One is old variable x, then another one is newly created variable new var, where this character variable has changed to numeric variable. Then let's check whether it has changed numeric or not by using third set of the code, proc contain. When we run third set of the code, the result is obtained as shown on this screen. This third table represents here, it has 2 variables, new var and x, where new var is newly created variable and its variable type is numeric. From here it is clear that x, that means the character variable, has changed to new var of variable type numeric. That means by using input function, we can change character to numeric variable type. That's all about question number 16. Thank you. SAS interview question and answer. Question number 17. How to convert numeric variable to character variable in SAS? This question is asking about how do you change numeric to character variable type in SAS. In case of SAS data step, put function is used to change numeric to character variable with different name. A syntax is given here, where char equals to put numVar format. Char means the character variable, put function, numVar means numeric variable, and format. We have three set of the code. First set of the code creates the data. Second set of the code, it converts the data type. And third set of the code, it checks or it verifies whether it has converted or not. Let me create first dataset. Dataset name is num, where it has one variable y and three rows. When we run the first set of the code, the result will obtain as shown on the right side of the window. This first table represents the result, which has one variable y and three rows. Now second set of the code. Data set name is char, set num, that means we use already created data. Then new var equals to put y10 dot. That means we are trying to change variable type y to new variable type, new var. When we run the second set of the code, result will obtain as shown on the right side of the window, second table. This is the result, which has two variables y and new var and three rows. Now third step, we are trying to validate whether it has changed variable type or not. To check the variable type, we use proc_contain. Proc_contain data equals to char and run. When we run the third set of the code, the result will obtain as shown on the right side, third table. That means that it has two variables, new var and y, where y is numeric and new var is character, which is expected because we are trying to change numeric to character. When we run the same set of the code with the SAS window, we will get the same result. Let's check the result. When I run the first set of the code, it creates the data set. That means it has created the data set exactly same, which has one variable and three rows. Let me run the second code. When I run the second code and check the output, yes, it has two variables, y and new var, and y variable type has changed numeric to character. Let's verify whether it has changed or not using third set of the code. When I run the third set of the code, result is obtained from this third table. It has two variables, new var and y, where variable type y has changed numeric to character variable. That means it is clear that put function is used to change numeric variable to character variable in case of the SAS. That's all about question number 17. Thank you. SAS interview question and answer. Question number 18. What are the commonly used numeric function in SAS? This question is asking about what are the name of commonly used numeric function. Most commonly used numeric function in SAS are as follow, which are classified into 8 classes. Number 1, round and truncate. We use round and ILT function. Number 2, descriptive statistics. We use mean, max, sum, mean, median. Number 3, mathematical function. We use ABS, SQRT, EXP, log. Number 4, function to get previous observation. We use lag, lag2, diff. Number 5, missing and non-missing value. We use n and miss. Number 6, getting first non-missing value. We use coalesce. Number 7, getting smallest integer which is greater than or equal to argument.
we use cell. And number 8, getting largest integer which is smaller than or equal to argument, we use floor. These are commonly used numeric function in SAS. That's all about question number 18. Thank you. SAS interview question and answer. Question number 19. What are the commonly used date functions in SAS? This question is asking about what are the name of date functions which are used in SAS. Following are date functions and their use. There are 12 classes. Number 1, date. It converts today's date into days from 1st of January 1960. Number 2, date time. It converts today's instant into second, calculating from 1st of January 1960. Number 3, today. It converts today's date into days from 1st of January 1960. This gives the exactly same result as from the date function. Number 4, day and date. It converts day of the month. Number 5, week, date. It converts week of the year. That means its value lies between 1 to 52. Number 6, weekday, date. It converts day of the week. That means Sunday 1, Monday 2, similarly Saturday 7. That means its value lies between 1 to 7. Number 7, quarter, date. It converts into quarter of the year and its value lies between 1 to 4. Number 8, month, date. It converts into nth month of the year. Its value lies between 1 to 12. Number 9, intact, interval from date to date, and final result is number. That means it converts the number of interval boundaries between two dates. Number 10, int x, that means interval, date and number, and final result is date. That means that it increment the date by intervals. Number 11, date part, date time. It extracts date from SAS date time. Value returns SAS date value. Number 12, time part, date time. It extracts time from SAS date time value, returns SAS date time value. These are commonly used SAS date function. That's all about question number 19. Thank you. SAS interview question and answer. Question number 20. How can you pull 4 characters starting from third position of the given character variable? This question is asking about how can you extract only 4 characters from a given variable which starts from third position. We can extract certain part of character variable using substring function. A syntax is given where extract part equals to substr char character variable, starting position from where we have to start, required length, how many characters we have to include. To explain this question, we have two sets of code. First set of the code, it creates data, and second set of the code, it extracts certain part of character variable. In case of first set of the code, data set name is product. It has one variable, product ID, and 7 rows. When we run this first set of the code, the result will obtain as shown on the right side of the window. This first table represents the result, which has one variable, product ID, and 7 rows. In case of second set of the code, data set name is company code. Set product, that means we use initially created data.
It has created new variable C code, which is a certain part of product ID. When we run second set of the code, we will get the result exactly shown on the right side of the window from second table, which has two variables. One is product ID and another one is C code. This is the created variable, which has only 4 characters, and it has started from third position of product ID. That means third position of the product ID starting position, and it has included only 4 characters. When we run same set of the code with the SAS window, let me run first set of the code. This is the result, which is exactly same as the previously explained. That means it has only one variable product ID and 7 rows. When I run second set of the code, result is here. That means it has two variables. One is product ID, then another one is C code. C code is it has included extracted part of product ID. That means it has extracted only from third position and included only 4 characters. Let me check from row number 1. 1, 2, 3. It has started from second B and included only 4 characters. That's correct. That means we have extracted certain part of product ID. That means it has started from third character, third position, and it has included only 4 characters. That's why by using substring function, we can extract certain part of character variable. That's all about question number 20. Thank you. SAS interview question and answer. Question number 21. How can you create first and last name columns separately from customer's full name? This question is asking about how can you separate first name and last name from customer's full name list. To extract certain ord from character variable, we use scan function with delimiters. A syntax is given here. Ord extract equals to scan char character variable, nth ord, which ord we have to extract, delimiter, what type of delimiter we have to provide. To explain this question, we have two set of code. First set of the code, it creates data, and second set of the code, it extracts certain ord from character variable. In case of first set of the code, data set name is customer1, which has 3 variables, ID, customer name, and age, and it has 5 rows. When we run first set of the code, we will get result as shown on the right side of the window, first table, which has 3 variables and 5 rows. Variables are ID, customer name, and age. In case of customer name column, first ord represents first name and last ord represents last name. And we have to separate first name and last name. That is our aim. While going through second set of the code, data set name is customer2, set customer1. That means we are using previously created data. And we are trying to create 2 more variables, first name and last name, where first name equals to scan customer name, comma, 1, comma, space. That means we have to extract first ord, which is separated by space. Similarly, last name equals to scan customer name, comma, -1, comma, space. That means we have to extract last ord, which is separated by space, which is last name. When we run second set of the code, we will get result, which is shown on the right side second table, which has 5 rows: ID, customer name, age, first name and last name. These two columns are created from second set of the code, first name and last name. When we run same set of the code with SAS window, we will get exactly same result. Let me run first set of the code. When we run first set of the code, this is the output, which has three variables. It has three variables: ID, customer name, and age. Let me run second set of code. When I run second set of the code, let me check here. It has 5 rows: ID, customer name, age, first name, and last name. Here we have separated first name and last name from customer name. From here it is clear that by using scan function, we can separate old from character variable. That's all about question number 21. Thank you. SAS interview question and answer. Question number 22. How can you save odd and even records of a dataset separately in SAS? This question is asking about how can you save odd and even records separately into two different datasets. By using mod function with underscore and underscore, we can save odd and even records separately. A syntax is given here: mod first argument, comma second argument. When first argument is divided by second argument and remainder 1, then it gives all odd records. And when first argument is divided by second argument and remainder 0, then it gives all even records. A simple code is given here: data, odd record, even record, set SAS separate class. If mod underscore n underscore comma 2 equals to 1, that means when we divide all record observation number by 2 and remainder 1, then it gives all odd records. These all records are saved with odd record dataset. And else, that means remaining other, all other are even number or even records. These records will save to even record dataset. When we run this set of code, we will get the result which is shown on the right side: odd record and even record. In this way, we can save separately into two different datasets. Let's see when we run this code with a SAS window. Exactly same code is here. When we run this code, we get two different datasets. First one is odd record. It has train record here, which are all odd record. And second set is even record. Its number is only 9. That means these all records are even records. In this way, we can separate odd and even records, and we can save these odd all and even record into two different data sets. That's all about question number 22. Thank you.
SAS interview question and answer. Question number 23. How can you extract last 5 characters from a character variable? This question is asking how can you get last certain number of characters from a character variable. We can extract certain part of a character variable using substring function. In this example, we can use nested function where we use a reverse, substring, and strip. When we use a function inside another function, then it is called nested function. A syntax is given here. Extract part equals to substring char character variable, starting position from where we have to start, required length, how many characters we have to include. To explain this question, we have to set up code. First set of code, it creates data set, and second set of the code, it extracts certain part of character variable. In case of first set of the code, data set name is product. It has one variable, product ID, and it has 6 rows. When we run first set of the code, we will obtain result as shown on the right side first table. It has one variable and 6 records. In case of second set of code, data set name is last 5, set product, that means we are using previously created data and we are trying to create one new variable last 5, which equals to reverse substring reverse strip product ID comma 1 5. That means product ID is first of all strip function is applied. To remove leading and trailing blanks, we use strip function. First of all, we have to remove leading and trailing blanks. After that, we use reverse. When we apply reverse function, for example, in case of first row, 3 becomes first character, 5 becomes second character, 2 becomes third character, x fourth, and 1 5. That means fifth. After reversing, we use substring. That means we start from first character and we extract only 5 characters. That means we have 3, 5, 2, x, 1. After then we apply reverse. That means those characters will reverse here. Then it becomes 1, x, 2, 5, 3. Which is exactly shown on this outside output. When we run second set of code, we will get the result as shown on the second table. It has 2 variables, one product ID and one new variable last 5, where last 5 variable it has last 5 characters of the each record. If we run same code with a SAS window, we will get exactly same result. Let me run first set of code. When I run first set of code, this is output where it has one variable and 6 records. Let me run second set of code. When I run second set of code, then I will get here exactly same result as we explained previously. It has 2 variables, one product ID, another one last 5, where last 5 variable includes last 5 characters of each record. In this way, we can extract any number of characters from character variable by using nested function. In this example, we use reverse, substring, and strip function. That's all about question number 23. Thank you. SAS interview question and answer. Question number 24. Due to COVID, loan pay date is extended by 18 months. How do you apply extension to every customer? This question is asking if you have given certain extension period. It can be year, it can be month, or it can be days. How can you apply those extensions to every customer? Increment date by a certain interval is obtained by using date function. Its name is index. Syntax is given here. Index, interval, date, number, and final result is date. Where interval can be year, month, days. This number indicates what type of interval we have provided. If there is a month, then how many months? If there is a year, how many years? To explain this question, we have two sets of code. First set of code, it creates data, and second set of code, it creates new variable with extension. First set of code, its name is data set name is customer, where it has two variable ID and loan pay date, and it has 3 rows. In case of date, we have to apply informat and format. Informat means in which format code has to read date, and format means in which format code has to write date. When we run first set of code, we will get result which is shown on the right side of window, first table. It has two variable ID and loan pay date. In case of second set of code, data set name is customer. That means we are trying to update customer table with new variable which includes extension. When we run second set of code, we will get result which is shown from the second table. It has 3 variable ID, loan pay date, extension pay date. Extension pay date includes 18-month extension from loan pay date. Here we apply same day option. That same day option gives exactly same day after 18 months. In case of first record, loan pay date is 23rd December 2024. Then after applying 18-month extension, it becomes 23rd June 2026. When we run same set of code with a SAS window, let me run this same set of code. When we run first set of code, we will get result which is shown on this window. It has two variable ID and loan pay date. If we run second set of code, then we will get a result which includes one more variable, extension pay date. This result is exactly same as we explained previously, where it has 3 variable and 3 rows, where extension pay date includes 18-month extension from loan pay date. In this way, we can apply extension with a date by using index function. That's all about question number 24. Thank you.